birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pane. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pane. Happy birthday, anak. You're 7 years old now. My pretty, wonderful, and amazing daughter ng aking mga kapatid. Ito yung anak namin na napaka-cute, napakaganda, napakabait, so sweet. Nak, we miss you. Sayang, sana nandyan kami ni Tito Ding, ni Pastor Ding. Happy birthday, Nak! Happy birthday! We love you and we miss you so much. Yan mo, magkikita pa rin tayo. 7 years old ka na, so behave ka lagi, no, Nak? Ha? Love you! Happy birthday! Mwah, 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 mwah! From our family, from Pastor Pony's family, kay Mami Esther, kay Mamo Esther, kay Joseph, kay Joss, kay Jabez, happy birthday sa'yo, anak! Sana mag-grow ka ng more sa pagpapala at biyaya ng ating Panginoon. God bless you! See you! Bye-bye! Happy birthday!